Hey everyone, welcome back. Forgot a UBS Mobile Banking password or can't log in? Here is exactly how to reset it, including what to do when UBS creates a contact number instead of a traditional password. Open UBS Mobile Banking on your iPhone. On the login screen, after entering your contract number, you see an option for you that says Forgot Password or PIN. Look for a link that says Forgot Password, Reset PIN, or Trouble logging in and tap it. UBS will verify your identity before letting you reset. This usually involves answering security questions or verifying to your registered phone number. A one-time code will be sent to your mobile number on the file with the UBS. Enter that code. After verification, UBS will let you create a new password or PIN. Make it something strong, at least 8 characters with letters and numbers. Confirm it and then tap save. If you cannot receive the SMS code because your phone number changed or you no longer have access to it, you need to contact UBS directly or go to ubs.com on your Safari browser and use the live chat or call the number shown there. Phone support can reset your access with identity verification, and that's it. So all you gotta do is login screen, tap Forgot Passcode, verify by SMS, create a new password, done. If phone number changed, contact UBS support at ubs.com, and that's it. Subscribe for more UBS guides.